What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Pinch Me, and they reached out to me like a couple days ago saying that they wanted to send me a free box just to review on my channel. So of course I said yes because I love free stuff. Like, who doesn't love free stuff? So I'm going to be unboxing this, and I'm also going to be saying some info about their website in case you've never heard of Pinch Me. But if you have, then you can probably skip this part because you already know like what their website is all about. But if you are new to pinchme.com, then stay tuned. If you have never heard of pinchme.com, it is a website where they give you free samples every month and you don't have to pay for anything. It's 100% free. Shipping is free. So basically you're getting all this like good quality stuff for free just to like do a review for after you get the product. So I think that's really awesome. And all you do is sign up, and sign up is completely free. Everything's free, so don't worry, it's free. And when you do sign up, they just have like a little questionnaires for you, and when you do fill them out, like, do you have any pets, do you have any siblings, do you live by yourself, what are your hobbies and all that stuff, so that they can personally handpick items for you for each month. And you'll get those samples, and then you'll get them in a couple of weeks, and then you can review them. And then the next month you get more samples and more samples and more samples, and it's just tons of samples every month, and it's just so amazing. A lot of this stuff can range from like beauty products, cleaning products, food items, pet items, like all that fun stuff. You do those like surveys kind of. It just helps to like pick out what would be good for you. Like for me, I get a lot of stuff between beauty, pets, like for my cats, and anything that like can range in between. Sometimes I get food, and a lot of that stuff always comes with coupons for when you go shopping, and if you really like that product, you'll get like some money off, which is really awesome. Also, this service is available to anyone in the United States, which is so awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my box up, and they did say this was a blogger one that they sent me out. So the ones that you guys would get is a bit smaller, and there's like 3 to 6 samples in there, so which is still really good. So I'm excited to open this up, and the sun's in my face. But let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. Very cute and colorful, and a good quality size. Ooh, what do we have here? Okay. So the first thing that I see in this box, it says, "Welcome. We're so thrilled to have you on board. You get special access to exclusive products, special promotions, rewards, and much more. Please enjoy and share this box of amazing products with your followers, subscribers, and readers. We hope that more people can discover and try products from leading brands. We really look forward to working together." And then it just has some more info on the back. Oh my god. Okay, so the first thing I see is this, I've never heard of this brand, Arvazalia. It is a hydrating argan oil mask, and it's deep conditioning and hydration for softer, silkier, and healthier looking hair. So that's pretty cool. And keep in mind that it's a sample product, and this is like what you'd usually buy at the store. So I don't even know how this is like a sample, but I still think it's pretty cool how they're like samples, but you get like a full-size product. So that's also a big plus for joining Pinch Me, because the products are like huge and they last forever. It's Essie nail polish, and it's a very cute color. Yeah, Essie like really expensive, so that's pretty cool. Blue Diamond Almonds Mini Nut Thins, hint of sea salt crackers. That's pretty cool. 2 like bars, and one of them is Berry Blast and the other is Apple Cinnamon Raisin. Okay, so the next thing is called, I don't know what the brand's called honestly, but it's moldable glue. So this is just what it looks like, and you can use it really on anything. You can use it like for like a zipper, to like if the zipper's broken, or if you want to put cushion on like scissors, or really anything. You can just kind of like do it for anything, so that'll be kind of interesting. I got some Shea Moisture bubble bath and body wash, and then some body lotion, and this is like the samples. Got some Carbona super white laundry whitening sheets. Cool, give that to my mom. And that is it for all these samples. So as you can tell, those were all these samples. They're kind of random, and some were like really good, some were just like I don't know if I'm really gonna use it. But stop, you're in my video. He wanted to be in the video like 10 seconds ago, but now he's just like being mean. Thank you for guys reaching out to me to do this unboxing, and I really hope you guys decide to join Pinch Me. I will leave a link down below where you can go to the website, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy your next unboxing. Bye.